Here we are at the home of Tamara Day, host of HGTV's Bargain Mansions. Nice bike. Her husband Bill loves to ride on weekends. And check out the backyard. The four kids created an artistic playground. We partnered with our friends from MorganMiller to install a TrueTemp. Time to get the job done.
I love my new Prier faucet because it is temperature controlled, whether I want the water to be hot or cold. I have either option at any time. So in the summer I can have cold water, in the winter steamy hot, clean the cars, play in the hose, all the fun stuff. Everybody can be comfortable.